The ukulele, often seen as a simple instrument, has a deeply layered and fascinating history. A rich tradition of small, guitar-like string instruments existed there. They were small-bodied, with 4 or 5 strings, used in folk music. The turning point came in 1879. Portuguese immigrants arrived in the Hawaiian kingdom to work on sugar plantations. João Fernandes entertained fellow passengers and locals upon arrival. His energetic finger movements impressed the Hawaiian people. They nicknamed the instrument ukulele, meaning jumping flea. This imagery of nimble dancing fingers has endured as its poetic explanation. 3 Portuguese luthiers settled in Hawaii, building instruments locally. Drawing from tradition, they adapted designs to local materials and preferences. These pioneers shaped the instrument into its modern form. Hawaiian culture played a crucial role. It became a symbol of Hawaiian musical identity, integral to hula dances and meal. As it gained popularity, the ukulele evolved. Early instruments were often made from native Hawaiian koa wood, known for its warm tone. The standard 4-string tuning emerged, and different sizes developed: soprano, concert, tenor, and baritone, each with distinct qualities. A key moment was the 1915 Panama-Pacific International Exposition. Hawaii had a prominent pavilion. The 1920s saw a full-fledged ukulele craze sweep the United States. It became associated with the jazz age and vaudeville performances. Its affordability, portability, and simple learning curve appealed to many. Sheet music and instructional booklets were widely distributed. Manufacturers like Martin Guitar began mass-producing ukuleles, standardizing designs and making them more accessible to the public. A ukulele was often used in jazz bands and popular ensembles, sometimes even replacing or complementing the banjo. However, after the boom of the 1920s and 30s, its popularity waned. Musical tastes shifted, and louder instruments emerged after World War II. Yet it never disappeared. In the 1950s, a revival occurred, largely due to media influence and charismatic promoters like Arthur Godfrey. Godfrey regularly played the instrument on his shows, encouraging viewers to learn. His efforts introduced a new generation to the ukulele. A renewed interest in preserving traditional Hawaiian culture emerged. Among the most influential artists is Israel Kamakawiwoʻole. His iconic rendition of "Somewhere Over the Rainbow" brought it global fame. Jake Shimabukuro's technical mastery transformed perceptions. His intricate playing elevated the ukulele to new artistic heights. The late 20th and early 21st centuries saw the internet as a powerful tool. Online platforms enabled enthusiasts to connect and share. Today, the ukulele is one of the most widely played instruments. Modern ukuleles are produced in various styles and materials. Traditional wood, laminates, plastics, and even carbon fiber are used. Design has expanded beyond 4 strings. 6-string and 8-string variants and hybrid instruments blur the lines with guitars. Culturally, the ukulele symbolizes joy, relaxation, and connection. Its association with Hawaii remains strong, an ambassador of its culture. In education, it's gained renewed popularity as a teaching tool. The ukulele's enduring appeal lies in its ability to adapt while maintaining its essence. It has continually evolved, cherished for its simplicity, versatility, and emotional resonance.